In the previous lesson, you've learned about the different types of plate boundaries and determination of the locations of different types of plate boundaries across the continents. This time, you will learn the different processes and geologic features along plate boundaries that slowly shape the Earth's surface, give rise to mountain ranges, volcanoes, earthquake belts, and other geologic features for you to explain the processes that occur along convergent plate boundary. These are the learning objectives. At the end of this video lesson, you should be able to 1. Define convergent plate boundary. 2. Explain the different processes that occur along the convergent plate boundaries. Convergent plate boundary. Convergent plate boundary. It is described as the two plates move towards each other, or simply, the collision of two plates. It can be continental-continental collision, continental-oceanic collision, or oceanic-oceanic collision. Now, what process occurs along convergent plate boundaries? Let's start with continental-continental collision. As you can see in the diagram, when two continental plates collide, the possible geologic feature might form as mountain, while the possible geologic event might happen as earthquake. Next is oceanic-oceanic collision. In this type of convergent plate boundary, the other plate sink beneath the other one, which results to the formation of hotspot, island arc, and trench. When a convergent boundary occurs between two oceanic plates, one of those plates will subduct beneath the other. Normally the older plate will subduct because of its higher density. The subducting plate is heated as it is forced deeper into the mantle, and at a depth of about 100 miles, 150 kilometers, the plate begins to melt. Magma chambers are produced as a result of this melting, and the magma is lower in density than the surrounding rock material. It begins ascending by melting and fracturing its way through the overlying rock material. Magma chambers that reach the surface break through to form a volcanic eruption cone. Subduction. A process in which the other plate sinks into the mantle underneath the other plate. What is the reason why subduction happens? The answer is the density of the plates. The denser plate subduct underneath the other plate. The last type is the collision between continental and oceanic plate. In this type of convergent plate boundary, subduction also happens. It is because oceanic plate is denser than continental plate. When oceanic and continental plate collide, oceanic plate subducts underneath continental plate, resulting to the formation of volcano or volcanic arcs. That's all. On our next video, we will discuss the processes that occur along divergent and transform fault plate boundary. Thank you.